Pick up.
We'll be on the dock in 5 minutes.
What a beautiful day. I wonder what the temperature is. Let me find out.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Malad Modir. I'm the founder of the Walkie-Talkie. For years now, I've been dreaming of a way of communicating more efficiently. And after 14 months of R&D and 16 designs later, I finally completed my prototype. With your support, we can all communicate more efficiently through our everyday lives.
Honey, Jimmy's on the phone.
I hope you'll find the time to make a pledge or pass the word around so that this dream can become a reality. Thank you.
Good night, sweetheart.
I'll be right in.